Hey everyone, headed off to work on this lovely rainy day. At least the humidity went away. Headed off to Hudson, New Hampshire. Got to do a toilet auger and replace a flapper and probably a fill valve. We'll check it out when we get there. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoy this. Just leave a comment below. Let me know how I did. Thanks. Hi, how are you? Do you mind if I record for liability reasons?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right, let's see what we have.
So this is one.
Okay, is this the one that's clogged?
Yes.
Okay.
And I have switched off the valve.
Okay, so it just keeps filling as it...
And it starts overflowing.
Okay, so it
Because
just
the water
keeps running?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's check out the other bathroom so I know where it is and then we can...
Do you mind taking the shoes off?
I can't. For safety reasons and liability reasons that we're not allowed to.
I can give you the indoor slippers if
Yeah.
that would help.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
See which one would
I'm sure that...
fit.
You know what? Let's do this one first.
Okay.
Because that way there I can... So the upstairs, when you said that you shut it off... Not shut it off. When you flush, it just keeps going...
Yeah,
it just keeps running?
Yeah. It keeps
Okay.
running, but that flow is less than this one. This one is like...
It's
It
a
seems
lot.
As if it's like continuously flushing.
So it runs on and off all the time?
Yeah.
Okay. And is it the exact same toilet upstairs?
Yeah, exact same.
Okay. You might just need two flappers. Oh, I don't know if I have. Those look like 2-inch.
I also have shoe covers.
Oh, okay.
Whatever you feel comfortable with. Because we don't wear shoes inside the house.
I totally get it. So this is off, right?
Yeah, that is all.
Okay. All right. I might have to run to the store or the supply house and get another part. Because this is the part that needs to be changed.
Okay.
It's the flapper. This is what needs to be changed in the toilet, and we don't have 2-inch in the truck. So before I really get going, I'm gonna get this one flushing for now.
Okay.
I'm gonna auger it, and then I can go, and at least you'll have this toilet and it'll be working. So this one's the fill valve. Hello? I actually have the part to fix this one because this one's actually the fill valve, so I can show you what it is real quick. It's draining okay. I can flush it fine. I turned it back on so I can flush it. This is the part that's sticking. This part right here. So when it goes up, when it gets to a certain, I'll let it fill up and then I'll explain it better. So when it gets to this point, it's supposed to stop like that and not go into this hole. This is the overflow. It's this piece here that's getting stuck. This ball piece that's getting stuck. So when it flushes, like if I... See, and that's what it's doing. Is that what the upstairs is doing as well?
Yeah.
So that's the part that's getting stuck.
Okay.
So it's this piece.
This one, you'll see the flow is still strong. Upstairs one is trickling.
What do you mean? Here, let's go up. I'll put those booties on and we'll I'll put these on.
Yeah.
And we'll take a peek at it so you can...
Yeah, I think that'll be better because if it's something different, then you won't have to make the trip twice.
Right. So I'll check it and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
If I can open them. All right, let's go see what we got. So when you flush this one, see that flapper looks in good condition too.
No, today it's not doing it. I don't know why. But after it's reached this stage, and I hear the stop on everything, the water in here still keeps moving because one of the ones...
The jets?
Yeah.
Yep.
It keeps flowing. I think now also it's happening, right?
Yeah. So that is the flapper, but it looks like you do have an issue with your fill valve too. See how the bubbles keep coming up? Mm-hmm. So it looks like you might have an issue with the fill valve. So I'd do the fill valve and the flapper. I'd probably do the flappers on both. Let me call my boss, see what he wants me to do. Because it looks like you're going to need 2 fill valves, and I need to know if I have to replace it with this style or if I have to replace it with, or if I can replace it with the ones that we have. And I have to get you to this one's definitely the flapper.
Yeah.
See how it's leaking? Yeah. How it's leaking past? That's that rubber piece at the bottom.
Okay.
But this shouldn't be bubbling like that. All right. So let me go make that call real quick, and I'll let you know what he says and if I have to replace it with this style, or if I can replace it with the style we have. Either way, I have to go get 2-inch flappers.
Okay.
So it's Hi. So for the toilet auger, you knew it was the 95. It would have been 175 if I was just rebuilding inside of, if I was just doing the flapper on one and then the fill valve on the other. So for a full rebuild inside both toilets, it's 175 for the first one, 125 for the second one. So you're looking at like, and then the 95 for the auger. So 175, let me get the calculator. My brain's not good with numbers. All right, so we have 175, and then we're gonna discount down the other one, and then 95. Oh, no, that was wrong. 95, so you're 395. But that's 2 full rebuilds. That's parts and labor. And then the auger for the toilet. So it'd be 395 total. It's either that or
Can you ask
completely your decision.
your boss if it can be 350?
I can message him. I just have to get my phone because I have to message him through the thing. But 350. I can ask him.
Okay.
And see what he says. I'll be right back. Okay.
Thank you.
Let me take this out of here while I'm in here. So the lowest that we would possibly be able to go, because I have to go get parts too, so for gas and all of the travel time, would be $375 is the lowest that we can possibly do it for.
Okay, let's get it done.
Okay, so I just have to run and get the parts. I found all the parts I need. I got all the parts I needed.
Did you end up going to the Ace?
I did, yeah.
Okay.
They were the closest ones. Were these the whole time I'm in here? I have everything I need right inside the bucket here. So we'll start down here. forever righty tighty lefty loosey. But I will forever go the wrong way. Oh, that's clean water. Oh, you dummy. All right, you're all set. I'm gonna go get the book. I'm gonna put this out there and I'm gonna grab the book and I'll be right back, okay? You can test him if you want to.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Now I just need the check number. All right. Just do this. right, so that one's done. Wish us luck on this dig job tomorrow, and hopefully we'll get some great footage for you for that as well. Other than that, enjoy the channel. Make sure you subscribe for us. It helps us out a lot.